Hey everyone, today we are going to talk about self-confidence. Like how can you build up self-confidence? And I hope you can connect to the video. See, everyone admires a self-confident person. They seem to get ease at their work. They inspire others. When we see a person who's confident in himself, we want to be like them. जैसे कभी भी आपका कोई स्पीच कंपटीशन है, आपको स्पीच डिलीवर करने स्टेज पे जाना है, कोई प्राइज रिसीव करना है, यू हैव अ फर्स्ट डे एट योर जॉब या किसी से कोई कन्वर्सेशन स्टार्ट करनी है, कॉन्फिडेंट होना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. क्योंकि अगर आप कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं हैं तो यू कैन नेवर बी सक्सेसफुल इन योर लाइफ. मैक्सवेल माल्स ने कहा है, लो सेल्फ एस्टीम इज लाइक ड्राइविंग थ्रू योर लाइफ विद योर हैंड ब्रेक्स ऑन. दूसरा समझने वाली सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट बात यह है कि no one is born with limitless self-confidence. If someone seems to be, then he or she must have worked on it for years. See, self-confidence कोई ऐसी चीज़ नहीं है जिसे आप एक दिन में या कुछ वीक्स में या कुछ मंथ्स में बिल्ड अप कर सकते हैं. You need a hard work for years. So we can do a lot of things to build up our self-confidence. Let's have a look at them. First, get things done. Set up smaller goals. What generally happens to us is कि हम इतने बड़े goals set up कर लेते हैं कि बाद में हम जब उन्हें achieve नहीं कर पाते तो हम disappoint हो जाते हैं. Instead of doing that, set up smaller goals like on daily basis, on weekly और monthly basis. तो धीरे धीरे जैसे जैसे आप उन goals को achieve करते जाते हो, you start building up the self confidence. आपको feel होता है, you start realizing like yes, I can do that. Next, one of the most important things in today's world, like we are fighting against a pandemic and everyone says to stay fit, you should do exercise. And besides having the health benefits, it improves your focus, your memory retention power, and it helps you fighting against the stress. Identify your talent. You know, everyone is good at something. So just find out the things in which you excel and focus on your talent. Learn to take pride in them. आप जो भी करो, just feel proud of yourself. And one of the most important thing is learn to express yourself. Whether it is through, reading, writing, drawing, dancing, anything. Just express yourself. Find something you enjoy and cultivate a talent to go with it. Adding a variety of interests and hobbies to your life makes you more confident. You feel more accomplished. And when you are following your passion, you have n number of therapeutic effects on your mind. Look in the mirror and smile. See, this is the one thing I personally follow and have always been told by my teachers to do so. There is a theory called facial feedback theory, which says expressions on your face can actually encourage your brain to intensify particular emotions. This is the facial feedback theory. तो जो आपके चेहरे पे झलकेगा वो आपके दिमाग को encourage करेगा to feel that particular emotion, उसको बल्कि amplify करके और intensify करके feel करने को. So just by looking into the mirror and smiling every day might make you more happier. Moreover, you just accept your appearance, how you look. And trust me, the moment you start admiring your looks, you become more confident, way more confident. Stop comparing yourself to others. I think I have added this point in my previous videos also a lot of times. But this time I would like to mention about the social media. See, social media को देखकर हम बहुत ज़्यादा influence होते हैं, and most of the time what happens is people tend to post their trumps only, not the complete reality. Suppose I won't name someone else, I would give you my own example. If I'm posting something on my social media platform, of course it's going to be the moment in which I'm happy, like I got married, if I'm spending some amazing time with my partner and my family, if I'm going somewhere for an outing, for a trip, or I'm having something wonderful in my life, I am not gonna post the part where I'm not happy, I'm lacking something, or if I'm having an argument with someone, means overall I'm not gonna post the part where I'm not happy. I'm not gonna show it to the world. And what we guys generally do, we get befooled by the scenario which everyone creates on their social media platforms by just showing the happier part of their life. We really need to understand everyone has ups and downs in their life. ऐसा कभी नहीं होता है कि किसी के लाइफ में सिर्फ और सिर्फ बहुत सारी अच्छी चीज़ें हों, just like the fairy tale, the dream world we see in the televisions. It's not like that. We all know the bitter truth. The reality of life is ups भी होंगे, downs भी होंगे, but what we gonna reflect on that virtual world is the happier part only. और उसको देखकर हम अपने आप को compare करने लग जाते हैं. Why we are not having that? Like one of my friend is going somewhere, she's having some sort of party at her home or any kind of thing at her place. Like, why I am not having that? Why is she so happy? What I am lacking in my life? Why is it with me only? We start complaining to God about our miseries because it seems like their life is more wonderful than ours. But this is actually not the truth. And last but not the least, recognize your insecurities. What is it that makes you feel ashamed or uncomfortable? This could be anything from just a simple acne to regrets, your friends at school, any past traumas, or some negative experience. So, overall, whatever it is that is making you feel unworthy, just find it out. When you recognize the things which make you feel insecure, then only you can work better on them. So that's all about the video, and I hope you all will also share your experiences in the comment section below. And I really appreciate you guys watching the video. Thank you, and please share if you like it. Do like and subscribe to the channel.